Sure, no, I mean, we continue to be very enthusiastic and ready to start the project, in the very near term. What we're waiting for specifically right now is for government to finalize the revenue scheme or the fees that are going to be charged for the solid waste services we're going to provide. Government's working closely with Advisory Council and Consultative Forum and all that, and we've been in close communication with them to try to facilitate that and see if we can move that forward.
Hodge noted that the TCI government has a full plate to deal with, and in the meantime, he is willing to wait and focus on other aspects of the project, which include re-evaluating what will be done first when they are given the go-ahead, and public education on waste management.
In the meantime, we've continued on our path of doing our design work, our operational work, laying out exactly what happens first and how we go. And importantly, the other big thing we've done recently in the last month is we visited every single school in the Turks and Caicos Islands. We went to all 46 schools, primary to high school, everyone on all the different islands. We did an educational campaign principally focused on anti-littering and helping keep the islands clean. Also talking about sustainability, recycling, what the project is going to be, how people can participate and support it. And we just had a tremendous response. It was really positive, really exciting. It was interesting to see the level of openness the kids had, and also the level of education they had already. I mean, they understand these issues, and everyone's very concerned to get something started soon.
Hodge also spoke about waste management fees that are to be put in place by the government. He was not sure of the cost of these fees, but gave a rough idea of what they will be for.
There's going to be my understanding is, and the government's still, finalizing this, and it's still under negotiation, but my understanding is there'll be a per household fee for the service, and that will entail everyone receiving a 96-gallon toter at their household, and then once a week service, and that's nationwide for all residences in all the Turks and Caicos Islands. There'll be one fee associated with that, and then another fee probably associated with actual disposal fees. Now, obviously, there's no there's not much order or system here in place, but as soon as we put the new operation in place, there will be a fee associated with disposing of trash at the dump.
Okay. Hodge stated that as soon as the TCEM is allowed to move forward with their project by the TCI government, things will go quickly and as planned.
We're basically on hold. I mean, we've got a suite of equipment that's ready to go. We have our employees, everyone else ready to get started as soon as possible, and we're basically in a waiting mode. I mean, we continue to kind of come up with new ideas and new plans of attack on the whole thing. I mean, the site out here is obviously a little bit of a moving target, so we sort of stay on top of that. So when we do get started, we're able to do so in a really efficient, smart manner.
As to how long this wait may be, Hodge could not answer the question.